Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn off accessibility on Redmi Note 14. Alright guys, so as we know together that accessibility shortcut make it very easy for us to access features without having to press button or search for the feature in the settings. But sometimes these shortcuts are a bit annoying because they are located at the end of the screen, so that will interfering with touchscreen activity. And how to turn it off is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Okay, to delete accessibility shortcut, now you can go to settings menu on your phone like this. And then now you can scroll down and go to additional settings. And then now you can go to accessibility and then go to accessibility menu, and now you can turn it off, and then the shortcut will delete it from your screen. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching.